Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we show you how to import a ClickFunnels page into HighLevel Panel Builder. This is a great way to reuse your existing funnel designs and save time when building new campaigns. Let's get started. On your ClickFunnels dashboard, all we need to do is go to your panels and choose the panel you want to recreate or import into GoHighLevel. Once we have chosen the panel, simply click it and wait for it to load. Here is an example. This is our funnel, and we want to import it into GoHighLevel. All we need to do is go to our GoHighLevel account. Make sure we already have one set up. Once we are in GoHighLevel, we just create a new page and then copy and paste the code manually. We are moving the content from ClickFunnels over to GoHighLevel. There is no built-in import or export feature here. As we can see, there is no option to export our funnels directly. So all we need to do is copy and paste our page content manually from ClickFunnels into GoHighLevel. And that is how we import a ClickFunnels page into the HighLevel Panel Builder. It is a simple process that helps us quickly transfer our designs and keep our workflow running smoothly.